All right, so this is what you see in LogZilla when installed. The server that we're on is not customized in any way. When you install LogZilla, this is what you're going to get with all the events coming in. Everything can be arranged per user, however they want it. So let's say we want to expand this, do this. We can click here, drill down into events. As you can see, this is nothing like what you get presented with a lot of the other software out there. It's quite beautiful, very usable. Everything in here that's underlined can be used to get information about. So let's say, look here, we have a whole bunch of events coming in from China. We instantly know already that we don't have traffic from China. Why is this going there? We need to go talk to security. We need to block them from the firewall or do something with it. Boom, we have action right now already done. We can go directly to devices from here. We can save this to a dashboard and turn it into a live stream of events. And if you look at some of the pre-built dashboards, you'll notice everything here is real time. So let's resize this guy back down so we can see more. You'll see these events per second streaming in, events marked as actionable, things containing just the word error, and these are Windows security events, right? There's an error in here. You can further filter and define by the drop downs here. We've also made search extremely easy. You don't have to understand SQL language and things like that. Let's just find everything with the word error in it and type error and off we go, right? So I'm gonna find everything with the word error for the last hour. Okay, here we go, done, very easy. There are included dashboards pre-built. So remember we said we were gonna focus initially on Cisco. So right off the bat, we can tell any problems going on in our Cisco network. These duplex mismatch, VLAN subnet, these are very common errors that a lot of networks get, but they actually have great value. This VLAN mismatch is a huge problem. It means your network's essentially broken. Duplex means that people can't get full speed out of the network. Broken. So immediately there's value in all of this. Same on the security side. So we can go to the ASA, we can look at firewall events, we can look at how many users are connected, where they're connected, all of the threat detection. There are a bunch of filters in here for threat detection. You can see there's eight different what Cisco calls a mnemonic, and that's what this percent thing is. We also include over 1,000 of Cisco's pre-built mnemonics that are considered most actionable events. And so if you look at triggers, they're available in the dashboards as well, but you can look at triggers that are all pre-built. Look at all these network problems that you can instantly see going on. And you can see some here like interface disabled. Well, this is a huge problem, right? It's misconfigured. That means your network access just got cut off automatically by that Cisco device. Somebody needs to go fix that. We can take that a step further. Remember I talked about network operations full circle. Don't just tell me about the problem, but let's go fix it. So then we have these triggers that say, I've detected this. Now I want to do something with it. I can send an email. I can send a webhook. We can actually post this to a Slack channel or a Cisco Spark message board, things like that, or to a ticketing system, right? We can additionally run scripts, and this is where a lot of this power comes in with not too much work, right? So this can be a very simple script that says, if I see this event, I'm going to go to the device, I'm going to run a command on the device, see if I can automate it through that playbook, right? We know how to fix things. Let's just fix it. And you end up with a 10 or 15 line script that automatically kicks in, goes and fixes it. And by the way, let's then trigger an email or a post to something like Slack or a ticket that says, not only was it broken, but here's how I fixed it. Thank you, have a nice day. So nobody had to go do anything other than install LogZilla and include a 15-line script. That's immediate value. That's huge for network operations.